Welcome back students. In this video we are going to take care of header and footer options. These are very simple. The first one is a header. Header is something that you want to repeat at the top of the documents. So I'm going for header option. And these are the templates, built-in templates. So let's say I'm going for this option. And here I'm typing then click on close header and footer. You will see the whatever I've typed, that is Cinema of India, is going to be repeated in each and every page in the header section. So similarly, if you want to remove it, then you need to click over here and click on remove header. If you want to give a footer, then click over here, and these are the footer built-in, and there are plenty of options. So whatever option you are looking for, you can simply do a selection. Let's say I've selected this one and I've typed here www.iturn.com, close header and footer, and you can see in the footer section it's going to be repeated in every page. However, if you want to remove it, once again go to insert, click on footer and click on remove footer. You can give a page number also. You can give it in the top of the page as a header, it will come, or in the bottom of the page. Page margin is going to be in the marginal, vertical or accent bar. We don't use it quite often. Current position means where your cursor is right now. So let's say I want to give the page number at the bottom of the page. I'm going for this option, simple one, close header and footer, and you can see the page numbers are coming. In fact, in footer and header options also there is a page number option, and that will come. If you want to remove it, once again go here and remove page numbers. This is how header and footer works in MS Word, and you can give the page number as well. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.